Oh, hi.
Good morning.
Welcome to the last video of Veganist Fork for 2021.
Isn't that crazy?
No.
We're going out with a what I ate today.
Whoa.
I know.
Wow, what are you choosing for your last televised breakfast?
I'm going to make myself a beautiful egg sandwich. A just egg sandwich.
Just egg. You and JB Smooth.
Yeah, right? I love him. This is my favorite egg substitute.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Yeah.
And
oh, how nice. Cooks up so nice.
Yeah. Cooking it up right now. I'm using some everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's.
Just in case you're wondering, we didn't buy it in that container. We
No.
just
Yeah, a lot of people ask about that.
Hey, where'd you get such a big everything but the bagel?
I wish we could get a big one like that.
I know, right?
But
they sell that pretty much everywhere now, not just Trader Joe's.
Yeah, they have it.
They have it at Aldi, they have it at Sam's Club, they have it at BJ's, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, let me just take care of this real quick
right.
and then I'll tell you guys about what else I'm having with it.
Well, I'm having some leftovers from last night. I'm having, red lentil chili.
Yeah.
With a little bit of, I made it on mashed potatoes this time.
Which were so smooth and creamy.
Thank you. With some Beyond Brats in there. Some corn, tomato, some of the Japanese white sweet potatoes, so I guess like the batatas. Delicious. Delicious. I'm also heating up a bag of frozen green beans because I'm back on my half and half, my 50-50 plate. And if you're new to the channel, I lost about 37 pounds doing a Whole Foods plant-based diet, like a starch solution sitch. And I maintained it over the holidays. I'm planning on losing more, but right now I'm taking a maintaining pause to just reset. I didn't want to stress myself out during the holidays, so I just took it easy. And I actually had waffles. You know, the 3 days of like Christmas Eve, Christmas, day after Christmas, because there's plenty of leftovers, I pretty much said, you know what? I'm just going to eat whatever I want. Just going to eat whatever I want. And I've been doing the Whole Foods plant-based for a while, so I didn't really overeat. I mean, I ate things that I didn't normally eat. Like, I always have veggies for breakfast. But for Christmas, I had waffles for breakfast with no veggies or fruit. So, it was fine. It was nice to, like, do something a little bit different. I have to say that much sugar in the morning, though, really,
A lot.
it's not for me. But it was nice for one day. And I've been enjoying the cookies. They aren't Whole Foods plant-based cookies. I mean, I don't eat that many of them, so it's okay.
They're Christmas cookies.
They're Christmas cookies, yeah. So, oh, that looks lovely.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, there's my green beans, and I'm ready to pop in my my stew to heat up because I'm gonna do the whole bag along with, yes, it's a lot of food, and I love eating a lot of food. Thank you for noticing. It's good for you, though. I'm gonna do a minute and a half on that. That looks lovely. We got a lot. We got some really good meals planned for today. It's also my anniversary.
Oh, happy anniversary.
Thank you. 38 years of marriage. And we are,
wild.
I know, isn't it? I never thought I'd be saying that. Not because I thought we would break up. Just because I didn't think I was going to get any older. How naive.
Does anyone?
No. It's funny, too, because we used to sit around when we were first married and think like, oh, in the year 2000, the 3 kids are going to be this age, and we're going to be able to do this on our anniversary, or we're going to be able to take a trip, and gee, none of that ever happened.
Trip never happened at 25.
No, it didn't. It didn't. But I did get a cool tattoo.
Yes.
So I told Mark we're going to hopefully get complimentary tattoos for our 40th.
That sounds good.
And yeah, I think that's a good plan. So maybe before, who knows? Maybe next year. Maybe he'll surprise me with a tattoo certificate for this year.
Ooh.
I doubt it, though. I doubt it, because we just spent a lot of money on the dog's operation. So We don't have throwaway money for tattoos, and they're expensive, so if you get them done right.
Yeah. Well, let me walk you through. Let me change it up and walk you through what's on my egg sandwich.
Okay.
When I'm cooking my just egg, I like to use a little bit of butter in the pan.
Plant butter.
Yeah, so this one is made with olive oil.
Nice.
Yummy. You guys saw the everything but the bagel seasoning. I am using a sourdough bread today from Aldi.
Mm-hmm.
And I am also using this Violife cheese.
The label is over here in case you guys are interested. They have this at the best price at BJ's. You get a double pack for $6.99, I think it is. It's phenomenal.
Violife is just so legit.
Yeah, it really is. Mature cheddar. Product of Greece, I believe.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. It says something about Hackensack, but I don't know.
Hackensack grease.
Yeah, could be. Could very well be. But that looks lovely.
Thank you.
If you're into that. See, I'm not into egg sandwiches.
Oh.
But that's breakfast because we got to answer that.
Yeah. Okay, it's snack time. Yay. I'm going to have just a simple Larabar. I love this peanut butter chocolate chip flavor. I just need a little something because I'm going to be exercising in a bit and I want to make sure I have the calories to burn. So I'm going to go enjoy that.
Snack time. Yes, I still didn't get dressed and I still have a sink full of dishes, but I'm hungry and I gotta get out of here. And I gotta get dressed first. So I'm gonna have a quick orange. How many oranges have you had?
Later.
How many days have you been saying that?
I'm having one later. It's only been like 2 days. Don't.
Have you had any oranges?
Not yet.
At all?
Okay, this is my thing. My hands have been so dry lately.
I'll peel it for you.
I mean, I'll peel it, but I just didn't want any burnies.
Sorry to orange shame you, but I was just curious.
No, I'm having one today. It's
Okay.
happening. I'm having it for lunch.
You heard it.
After lunch.
You heard it.
Snack time after lunch. So I'm just checking in with you guys as I'm editing this to let you know I did not end up having an orange yesterday. Not because I didn't want to, but because I didn't have a snack in between lunch and dinner. I just didn't have time and it didn't happen. But I'm having an orange today.
All right, looks like it's lunchtime and I cleaned it up a little bit, but I still have to put on my eye makeup.
I took a shower. I put on my concealer.
Good for you. Hello, weekend. You're a little bit early on that
I thought
one.
it would be a fun, ironic thing, you know.
Is it ironic?
It's only Tuesday.
Yeah.
But we've got some delicious stuff here for lunch.
Well, we've got some leftover gluten-free mac and cheese.
Gluten-free vegan mac and cheese from Christmas.
Right.
We've got
Christmas
half
Day.
of a taquito here.
I threw that in, just no charge.
Little
Inside
bonus.
into the car.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Beautiful, what is this, Italian
blend.
Italian blend salad. And
Oh, this beautiful antipasti platter.
yeah, we got a special treat. This was a Greek antipasti. I don't know if we're saying that right, whatever.
Yeah, antipasti.
Yeah, from Aldi.
Wow.
So you got artichokes, mushrooms, olives, tapenade, and the roasted red peppers.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
So it's really delicious.
Let me take mine out of the microwave. I'm having stir fry leftovers. Wah. Nope, didn't make it. Yeah. So we do eat a lot of bowls. Pretty much every meal is a bowl
Oh yeah.
of some sort. So I've got some basmati sushi rice combo. I always do half and half. Some stir-fried tofu, mushroom, some sad broccoli that had to be used up. This
Don't
is
be
all
sad,
left over from the other day. I'll eat this for breakfast. I'll eat it for lunch. I'll eat it for dinner. I'll eat it for a snack. I don't care.
I don't care.
I'll kick its ass. So I'm going to have, yes, another bag of steamed cut green beans on there. I'm going to throw a few olives on there as well on the green beans because it makes it taste nice.
It sure does.
And that's going to be lunch. Just delicious. This was accidentally vegan, which was really nice.
Yeah.
Because sometimes when you get an antipasti platter, A lot of it's not vegan because they throw stupid salami or feta or
Yeah.
whatever in there.
Really caught my eye though at Aldi.
Yes, and we read it and we said, yes, you're coming home with us. But then how are we going to package this?
We're gonna have to put it in some little containers or something.
Either that or we could just put it on a dinner plate and like put some wrap over it or something maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
That's delicious.
Oh yeah, which one?
I just tried a mushroom.
Oh yeah. Was it a magic mushroom?
No.
Oh well. All right, it's the evening slump, the 6 o'clock evening slump. I need a little snack before dinner because we're probably not eating for a while. And I made myself a latte, and I'm gonna have one of these Stroop waffles, vegan, gluten-free, chocolate-covered Stroop waffles that I made for Christmas that's left over as a snack.
Oh, who knows?
These are courtesy of, the recipe was courtesy of Conscious Chris on Instagram.
Oh, who knows?
The egg in it is just egg. And I came up with my own flour blend for the gluten-free flour because his were regular wheat. So, very, very tasty. So tasty that I went out today. Well, I didn't go out. I went on my computer and ordered a pizzelli maker for next year. So, love them. Dinner time. And it's my 38th anniversary.
Yay!
Not with her.
No. My dad.
And we're celebrating by having Impossible Burgers. So I have some pickle salsa. Really good.
It's delicious.
Really good. A little bit of vegan mayo on gluten-free toast with some crinkle cut French fries and some haricots verts from the Instant Pot.
Mm-hmm. Mine is similar, but I have another slice of the BioLife from this morning.
Right. And some bakery bread.
Yes.
Bakery steak roll,
Yeah.
I guess.
It's got, oh, I love the toasted sesame seeds on
Oh,
top.
so nice.
I will also be taking this.
Famotidine.
Yeah, for my acid reflux because
No.
I get the worst acid reflux on burger night.
Yeah.
Terrible. So I'm going to be proactive tonight.
I think between the bread and the ketchup and the potatoes.
actual burger as well.
Yeah.
It's just terrible for me, but
But boy, does it taste good.
it does.
Well, enjoy.
Thanks.
I will. Oh, looks like dessert time.
It's cookie time.
Yeah.
So, dinner was delicious.
Oh, thank you.
And now we have just been enjoying these Christmas cookies the last few days. I'm so excited to
I'm not
begin
going to be
tonight.
having these because I can't have
No, you
tree
cannot
nuts.
have that. I'm going to have one of these guys.
Mhm.
And I'm going to have one of these. And I'm going to have 2 chocolates.
Oh. Well, I'm going to have 1 waffle and 2 chocolates.
Nice.
And I'm going to give Sean 1 waffle, 2 of these, and 2 chocolates.
Nice.
Okay.
Wow. So it's been a really good day of eating.
These are all vegan and gluten-free,
Yes,
by the
they
way.
are.
But not nut-free. I had these, and I can't eat tree
I
nuts.
guess we should say what the cookies are.
Yeah. So these are Stroop waffles.
Mm-hmm.
These are the chocolate surprises. This is in the cookbook.
Mm-hmm.
And those are a
Shortbread
maple
sandwich
walnut.
cookie.
Yeah.
Delicious. With a
Very
little
good.
chocolate icing in the middle.
Yeah. We don't have a recipe up for those, but we probably should because
the
they're really
shortbreads
good.
Are like, they're
Chef's
all
kiss.
amazing. Actually, they're all amazing. I don't know what I'm even saying.
What are you even saying?
I don't know. I'm tired.
But that was 2021.
Yeah. That's what we ate this year. That's what we ate today anyway. But thank you all so much for watching. we hope you're enjoying the rest of the holiday season.
Hope you join us for Veganuary and 2022.
Lots of fun stuff coming up in 2022. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already subscribed. And thank you so much for watching not just this video, but any of our other videos.
We appreciate it. And a triple thanks if you bought our cookbook too.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. So thanks again so much for watching. And until next time,
Much love.